bought myself baby. Leo nimenunua mic by the way. Najua we are going to try this together. Sahi I'm recording without a mic, so let's unbox it together. It comes with two, niseme wireless, kuna hii, and then it comes, by the way sijui ni za nini, so I'm just learning. And then this one I think it's a cable, so let us. So so it comes also with that. It comes with a cable ya kucharge. And now let us try using the mic. Let me just fix it and then we try. And let's cook it. Imewaka green. I don't know if you may connect. Mic testing, mic testing. Mic testing, mic testing. Aki hata sijika ime change voice by the way. So I think by the time I'll be listening to this video, we will notice together if it did whatever it's supposed to do, if the voice the sound inakuwa sai clear, because you can compare the previous sound na sai. So I hope you may connect. Missy Jui by the way. Okay, and thank you so much for watching. We have unboxed together, so I'll try do more content. Mic testing, mic testing. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. I'm so happy, baby. I got myself something. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for watching me unboxing this wireless mic. It's a K9. I'll tag where I bought. Unbox together this. Okay, nilikuwa naika upside down, the K9 microphone wireless. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. Okay, bye.